Well, good morning, everyone. Tamara Lee Ulmer with Arizona Resource Realty, and I am out here on this very crisp morning getting ready to walk you through my newest HUD listing in Payson, Arizona. And it is a spectacular home located at 1502 North Bradley in Payson. Beautiful tall pine trees on this one. It is on the market, and so I'm going to take you for a video tour today, but you can go to hudhomestore.gov if you would like to check out the information on this one, or give us a call if you're interested in making an offer. So let's go ahead and take a tour. So that concludes our tour today of this 5-bedroom, 2-bath HUD home located in Payson, Arizona. I hope you enjoyed the tour today. Please reach out to us if you have any questions on HUD homes. Again, hudhomestore.gov is where you can go to get all of the other information that you might want. And if you're interested in making an offer on this home or viewing it, please call us 928 474-2550. I appreciate you coming on the tour today, and until next time, see you later.